What does it mean to give no quarter, and when was it practiced? Have you ever wondered what it means to give no quarter in the context of warfare? This phrase carries a heavy weight, especially when we look at its implications during the American Civil War. To give no quarter means to refuse to spare the lives of enemy combatants. It signifies a complete lack of mercy or opportunity for surrender. In simpler terms, if soldiers are defeated or captured, they are not taken as prisoners but are instead killed outright. The term quarter originally referred to providing shelter or mercy to captured soldiers. In earlier warfare, captured officers could be ransomed for a sum equivalent to a quarter of their annual pay, which is where the term comes from. To take quarter meant accepting prisoners and treating them with some leniency, while giving no quarter meant denying this humane treatment. Historically, this practice has roots in medieval and early modern warfare. However, denying quarter has often been associated with extreme cruelty and is regarded as an atrocity or war crime under evolving laws of war. During the American Civil War, the concept of giving no quarter became a serious and controversial matter. The general expectation during this time was to allow surrender and take prisoners. However, there were instances where no quarter was given, particularly in brutal battles. The Lieber Code of 1863, which served as a set of instructions for the Union Army, explicitly forbade the practice of giving no quarter. It declared such actions contrary to the customs of modern warfare. There was a narrow exception allowed if a commander's survival depended on not taking prisoners, but this was meant to be very limited. The denial of quarter was often fueled by hatred and revenge, leading to atrocities that were condemned as illegal and immoral. In the context of the American Civil War, both Confederate and Union forces were accused of giving no quarter in specific battles. Such actions not only violated the accepted rules of war but also contributed to the harsh reputation of certain engagements. After the Civil War, international law increasingly prohibited the practice of giving no quarter. Treaties like the Hague Conventions and the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court classify the declaration or practice of no quarter as a war crime. This means that those who engage in such actions can be held accountable under universal jurisdiction. In summary, giving no quarter means refusing to accept surrender and, instead, killing enemy combatants. While it was practiced sporadically during the American Civil War, it was officially condemned and remains prohibited under modern laws of war due to its brutal nature and violation of humanitarian principles.